Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2021 to 2024 Nissan Kicks and the 2021 to 2025 Nissan Versa, the 95-7644B. To start the disassembly, using a pry tool, gently unclip and remove the side panel on the passenger side. Next, open the glove box and remove the 4 screws from the top and 2 at the bottom. And gently pull and remove the entire glove box. Afterward, remove the 1 screw from the passenger side vent. Then gently remove the vent. Next, remove the screw from the upper left side of the glove box. Gently unclip the panel from the right side of the steering wheel. Then unclip and remove the entire dash panel. Next, remove the 4 screws from the radio. Then unclip and remove all harnesses from the radio and set aside for assembly. After assembling the new kit and brackets to the aftermarket radio, make all the proper connections. Then place the new kit into the dash and secure it with the 4 screws. Reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete the install. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.